Hello, dears. How are you today? Welcome back to our English sentences again. បាទជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទសុខសប្បាយជាទេថ្ងៃនេះស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ប្រយោគភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់យើងម្ដងទៀតបាទចឹងថ្ងៃនេះយើងរៀនអំពីការសួរអំពីមុខរបរជាសំណួរនិងចម្លើយដែលសិក្សាអំពីការងារទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទចឹងសូមអនុវត្តជាមួយខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នា Let's start it. What's your job? I am a teacher. What's your job? I am a teacher. What's your job? I am a teacher. តើអ្នកធ្វើការងារអ្វី What's your job? ខ្ញុំគឺជាគ្រូបង្រៀន I am a teacher. Teacher គ្រូបង្រៀនអូខេសូមបន្តទៀត What's his job? What's his job? He is a doctor. He is a doctor. តើគាត់ធ្វើការងារអ្វី What's his job? គាត់គឺជាគ្រូពេទ្យ He is a doctor. Doctor គ្រូពេទ្យ What's her job? She is a student. What's her job? She is a student. តើនាងធ្វើការងារអ្វី What's her job? នាងគឺជាសិស្ស She is a student. Student សិស្ស What are their jobs? What are their jobs? តើពួកគេធ្វើការងារអ្វី They are scientists. They are scientists. ពួកគេគឺជាអ្នកវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ Scientists អ្នកវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ What's their job? What's your job? What's your job? I am a farmer. I am a farmer. What's your job? តើអ្នកធ្វើការងារអ្វី I am a farmer. ខ្ញុំគឺជាកសិករ Farmer កសិករ What's his job? He is a waiter. What's his job? He is a waiter. What's his job? តើគាត់ធ្វើការងារអ្វី He is a waiter. គាត់គឺជាអ្នកបម្រើ Waiter អ្នកបម្រើ What's her job? What's her job? She is a singer. She is a singer. What's her job? តើនាងធ្វើការងារអ្វី She is a singer. នាងគឺជាអ្នកចម្រៀង Singer អ្នកចម្រៀង What are their jobs? What are their jobs? They are dancers. They are dancers. What are their jobs? តើពួកគេធ្វើការងារអ្វី They are dancers. ពួកគេគឺជាអ្នករាំ Dancers អ្នករាំអ្នករបាំ What's your job? I am a carpenter. I am a carpenter. What's your job? តើអ្នកធ្វើការងារអ្វី I am a carpenter. ខ្ញុំគឺជាជាងឈើ Carpenter. Carpenter ជាងឈើ What's his job? What's his job? តើគាត់ សំទោសបាទ What's his job? He is a policeman. He is a policeman. What's his job? តើគាត់ធ្វើការងារអ្វី He is a policeman. គាត់គឺជាប៉ូលីស Policeman ប៉ូលីស What's her job? What's her job? She is a housewife. She is a housewife What's her job តើនាងធ្វើការងារអ្វី She is a housewife She is a housewife housewife មេផ្ទះនាងគឺជាមេផ្ទះ She is a housewife នាងគឺជាមេផ្ទះ What's her job តើនាងធ្វើការងារអ្វី She is a housewife នាងគឺជាមេផ្ទះ housewife មេផ្ទះ What are their jobs What are their jobs They are artists They are artists What are their jobs តើពួកគេធ្វើការងារអ្វី They are artists ពួកគេគឺជាវិចិត្រករ artists វិចិត្រករ They are artists តើអ្នកធ្វើការងារអ្វីអញ្ចឹងសំណួរនេះខ្ញុំសូមបញ្យល់បន្តិចវាដូចទៅនឹងសំណួរខាងដើមដែរដោយយើងប្រើ what do you do ឬក៏ស្មើនឹងពាក្យថា what is your job អូខេអញ្ចឹងសំណួរនេះគឺដូចគ្នាណាដូចខាងដើម What do you do I am a barber What do you do I am a barber What do you do តើអ្នកធ្វើការងារអ្វី I am a barber ខ្ញុំគឺជាជាងកាត់សក់ barber ជាងកាត់សក់ What does he do What does he do តើគាត់ធ្វើការងារអ្វី He is a businessman គាត់គឺជាអ្នកជំនួញ What does he do He is a businessman businessman អ្នកជំនួញ What does he do តើគាត់ធ្វើការងារអ្វី He is a businessman គាត់គឺជាអ្នកជំនួញ businessman អ្នកជំនួញ businessman អ្នកជំនួញ businessman អ្នកជំនួញ What does she do What does she do She is a film star What does she do តើនាងធ្វើការងារអ្វី She is a film star នាងគឺជាតារាភាពយន្ត film star តារាភាពយន្ត film star តារាភាពយន្ត What do they do What do they do តើពួកគេធ្វើការងារអ្វី They are dentists They are dentists ពួកគេគឺជាពេទ្យធ្មេញ Dentist Dentist ពេទ្យធ្មេញ What do they do They are dentists ពួកគេគឺជាពេទ្យធ្មេញ Dentist ពេទ្យធ្មេញ អូខេអញ្ចឹងមេរៀននេះគឺមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងទេបាទអញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាមិត្តអ្នកសិក្សានឹងព្យាយាមអាននៅមេរៀននេះម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតហើយព្យាយាមរៀនសរសេរដោយខ្លួនឯងហើយនឹងពង្រឹងនៅសមត្ថភាពដោយខ្លួនឯងបន្ថែមទៀតអញ្ចឹងពេញចិត្តនៅវីដេអូនេះសូមជួយចុច Subscribe នៅ Channel ខ្ញុំផងដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅមេរៀនល្អៗបន្ថែមទៀតពី Channel កំសាន្ត99ហើយសំទោសរាល់សម្លេងរំខានឬក៏មានកំហុសខុសឆ្គងត្រង់កន្លែងណាមួយដោយខ្ញុំបាទមិនបានដឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងរាល់ការបញ្ចេញសម្លេងកំហុសខុសឆ្គងនៅត្រង់កន្លែងណាមួយនោះសូមមេត្តាអធិស្ឋានផងបាទអរគុណច្រើនអញ្ចឹងសូមជួយចុច Subscribe និងចុចសញ្ញាកណ្ដឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានមេរៀនថ្មីបន្តទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមអនុវត្តជាមួយនឹងការបញ្ចាំងម្ដងទៀតនៅមេរៀននេះបាទអញ្ចឹងមិត្តអ្នកសិក្សាអាចអនុវត្តបានបាទសូមអនុវត្តឆ្លើយនៅសំណួរជាមួយខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នា What's your job What's your job What's your job โอเคตอบទៀត What's his job What's his job What's her job What's her job What's her job What are their jobs What are their jobs What are their jobs What's your job What's your job What's his job What's his job What's their jobs Oh sorry What's her job What's her job What's her job What are their jobs What are their jobs What are their jobs What's your job What's your job What's his job What's his job What's his job What's her job What's her job What are their jobs What are their jobs What do you do What do you do What does he do What does he do What does she do What does she do What do they do What do they do អូខេអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជាការអនុវត្តនៅការឆ្លើយសំណួរទាំងអស់នេះបាទឡើងវិញអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំសូមបញ្ចប់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយសង្ឃឹមថាមិត្តអ្នកសិក្សានឹងខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងព្យាយាមសិក្សារៀនសូត្របន្ថែមទៀតបាទអរគុណច្រើនជួបគ្នាជាមួយនឹងវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀតបាទ Thank you so much Thank you for watching See you next lesson Bye bye